Now everything is fine now, guys.
Yes.
Okay, good. So let's what we will do now. Okay, let's do direct practical only, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do now. Here, a file, new, take one Spring project, right? Spring starter project. Okay, so here we will take data GPA, time, date and time, date and time. Now next, select Lambda, Spring data GPA, MySQL, next, finish. Okay, so this one I copied from the application property, same only, guys. Okay, because of that I copied. Okay, so I kept inside that. Okay, so now what is that? What I'm going to do now, guys? Right click, new, take one class, right? Take one class. Here, what I'm taking, entity, right? Entity. What is that? Employee. Employee I'm taking, right? Employee I'm taking. But okay, so here what I'm going to do now? Here I'm going to take, what is that? Private. Private. What is that? Private integer. EMP ID I'm taking, right? EMP ID I'm taking. After then, what is that? Private string. EMP name I'm taking, right? Another one I'm taking, what? EMP name. Another one is what? Private. 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 What is that? Double. Double. EMP style I'm taking, right? EMP style I'm taking. But so another one is what? I'm taking, what is that? EMP style I'm taking, what is that? Date. How do I think? Okay, let's take, what is that? Private. Private date. 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 dt a I'm taking, right? Date a. Another one is what? Another I'm taking 1 2 3 date, because there are three possible values there, right? Control shift o. Java dot lang dot util. Import this one. Okay, good. Here I'm taking what? B. I'm taking what? Here I'm taking C. Good. Okay. So here what I'm going to do now? At the rate entity. At the rate table. Name equal to what? Name equal to what? E. E name, right? E name. Here I'm taking what? At the rate ID, right? At the rate ID. Good. Here what I'm going to take now? At the rate column. Here I'm going to take what? At the rate column. E ID I'm taking, right? E ID. Good. E name I'm taking, right? Here what I'm going to do now? E cell. E cell. Good. So this is our what? Now. Okay, good. So here what I'm going to do now? At the rate data. At the rate data. At the rate no R constructor. At the rate all are constructor. Good. So now our entity class is ready now, guys. Okay. So what is that? At the rate temporal, right? Temporal. One annotation is there, right? We will apply on the top. At the rate, what is that? Temporal. Temporal, right? It's having three possible value, guys. Okay, what is that? Timestamp, right? Inside that, what is that? Temporal type. We will give what? Temporal type. T-E-M-P, temporal type. Okay, temporal type. See this, how many values are there? Date is there, time is there, timestamp is there, right? Date is there and the time is there. Now I'm taking here what? Date. Here what I'm going to do now? Same like, okay, same. I'm copying this one and pasting this. Three possible value is there, right? Three possible value, different things I'm going to show to you people. Okay, so now what is the date is there? Time. Okay, I'm taking time only, right? Here what I'm going to do now? Again, what is that? Time is there, right? Here what I'm taking? Timestamp. Okay, timestamp I'm only taking. Okay, now good. Three possible values there. Three possibility I taken now, guys. Okay, I taken the three possibility now. Okay, good. So okay, so let's what we will do now. What we will do now? Come to write one repository now. Right click new interface. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now? com.rk.repo. Repo. Okay, so here what is that? Repository. Now finish. Here what I'm going to do now? Extend what is that? JPA repository. I'm not getting anyone response, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yes.
No, Ravi, listening, you are
Listening.
hold up.
Yes, good. Now employee, right? Here what is that?
You are involved in your puja, Ravi.
Sorry?
Either.
You are involved in your puja.
Good. Okay. So now see this, okay? Employee repository is there, right? So good. So here what we will do now, let's right click new, take one runner class,
CLR.
com.rk dot what? Data run. Okay, so now what is that? Date and what? Time run. Now finish it. Here what we will do now? Implement command line runner. Okay, good. So here what we will do now? At the rate component. Okay, here what? Alt shift S plus B. So good. Here what we will take now? Private what? Private employee repository. Here what we will take? At the rate auto. Now good. Here what we will do now, guys? No, okay, good. So let's create what is the employee class and we will see that. Okay, the same only. What is that? Let's create explicitly employee. Oh, sorry. Employee E equal to what? New employee, right? Employee. Okay, good. So here what I'm going to do now? 101, right? Ravi only. Okay, Ravi. Okay, this is the salary. And here what is that? What I'm going to take now, guys? New date. Okay, new date. New date 1. Again here what is that? New date. New date. Here again I'm taking what? New date. Okay. So good. Here what I'm going to do now? Repo dot save. Okay. Here I'm passing E. Okay, good. So Now there is no data is there, right? Now there is no data. Now right click, run the application. Okay, right click, run as what? Okay, come here, guys. See this, okay? Ravi, Isal, this one, and what is that first DAT, guys? Only what is that date is there, right? See this, only date we taken right here. 1 minute. See this. In the first, what is that date one, what is that only date we are taking, right? So what we are what that data date a inside that, what is that only what is that date is stored, right? Only date is stored now, guys. Okay, another one is what time only we taken, only see time only time is stored, and a temporal type. See this here, what is that date and time, and what is the second also temporal, what second also is stored or not, guys? Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Sir. Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so one more thing. If we are not taking, okay, if we are commenting this one, right? If we are commenting this one, by default is what? Temporal type, right? This one
Temporal type.
time is stamp only, right? Time is stamp only, right? Okay, come here. Now run the application. Now come to database. Now refresh it. Just refresh it.
None.
No, guys, you know what is the problem? There is no modification. Why? Come, I will tell. Come to property. Where the property? This is right. Open the YAML file. Now come here. Here what we are taking updated. Now take the create. Okay. Now run the application. Okay. Come here. Refresh this. See this by default is what, guys? Timestamp or not? Come on.
Timestamp.
Timestamp, because we are getting what is that date and time plus second time also, right? So by default this is the interviewer question, right, guys? By default, what is that our date and time in the database? Time stamp, right? Time stamp. Okay, so if you want to perform what is that time only, then you have to take what is that, then you have to take what date. Okay, time only, right? Time. If you want to perform date, take the date. If you want to perform date and the time also both, then you have to take the timestamp only. Okay, if you are not taking anything, by default, what is the timestamp? Come on, guys.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi,
Ravi,
clear.
Okay, so let's perform what is that glob and the blob insertion, guys. Okay, this glob and the blob insertion. Okay, so good. Glob and blob insertion. Data JPA using what is the blob annotation? What is the blob and glob Oracle database type is there, right? Data type is what? Glob and blob is there or not, guys? Come on, in the Oracle database.
No idea.
Yes.
Yeah. So to perform what is that?
Character large object, binary
Yeah.
large object.
Yes, to perform same things in the database only, right? Same things in the database. If we want to perform, right? If we want to perform, then what we will do now, guys? What we will do now? We will means what is that? If we want to store the data, right? Like what is that file data or images in the database? Then what we will do now? We will use the lob and glob, because character we can store only what is the 255, right? 55 character only length is there, na? Come on. 255 character we can store in the database. Come on, variable varchar size is what? How many character we can store? Only 255, except that we can't store. Anyone practice this one? No, na?
No idea.
Just search on the Google, okay, you will get, okay, character, right? Varchar, in the varchar data type, if we are using, just we can store, what is that? What is that? Varchar limitation is there, but in the varchar only 255 character we can store it, except that we can't. It means what? So whenever we will store large data, then what we will use? Blob. And if we want to use, what is that? Image. If we want to store in the database image, then we will use what? Blob. Okay. So for that, if we want, so in the data JPA, what is that? To perform the, what is that? To perform, what is that? Lob in and a club. For that, one annotation is there. What is that? Lob annotation, right? Lob annotation. Lob annotation, right? So based on that lob annotation, both operation we will perform. What is a blob and what is that? Club. Blob and what? Club. Like what is that? Oracle database, right? This is the club and the blob is the Oracle database. Means what is that? Oracle or MySQL, both data type is, right? Oracle database, right? Just I'm taking Oracle database. So this is the what? Data type. This is what? Data type. Data type, right? DATATYP, right? Data type. Okay. Data type. This is what? Data type inside that. Okay. So means what is that? Binary data type. Blob means what? Blob means what, guys? Blob means what? Binary large object. Binary large object. Like what is that? What is the binary large object? Storing means what is the storing? Storing what? Storing images. Storing what? Images, audio, video, and what is that? Word, and what is that? Document or Excel files, right? Files. Okay, files. Okay, so now good. Now club. What is the club? Now club, right? Now club. Okay, good. Now club. Okay, so character data.
Character large object.
Character large object. Character large object, right? Means what is that? String large text data, right? String, just think about that. What is that? String, what is that? String large. String, what is large text data, right? Data. And what is that? We know that. What is that? What is the limitation of varchar? What is the limitation of varchar?
250.
Yeah, limit of varchar only
250 character.
255 character only, right? Only what is this? Only 255 characters. So because of that, what we are using now, guys? Club insertion, right? Club insertion. So same, like only one annotation is there, guys. Only one annotation is there, but in the application, right? In the application, if we want to perform, right? If we want to perform what? Blob insertion, right? What is that? Blob. If we want to perform what? Blob insertion, then what data type we will take? Byte, right? Byte array. Then what? Our IOC container will treat as what? Blob insertion, right? Then our IOC container will treat as what? Plus what is that? Plus what is that? Byte, what? Byte array data type plus what is that? Lob annotation, right? Lob annotation. What is that? Lob annotation in the data JPA, right? JPA. In the JPA, then our IOC container will treat as what? Blob insertion. If we want to perform, what is that? Glob insertion, right? If we want to perform, what is that? Glob insertion. Glob insertion, then what will happen now? What will happen now? Then we will take what is that? Char array, right? If we are char array plus what is that? @lob annotation, right? Then we will take the lob annotation. Then our IOC container will treat as a what? Sorry, yeah. Then our IOC container will treat as what? Glob insertion. Okay, only one annotation is there. Based on that, only what is that? Based on that, what data type it our IOC container will treat as what? This is the blob insertion or this is the glob insertion now. Okay, good. So good. So what is that series? Okay, so means what is that? Blob and what is that? Glob are given by Oracle. If we go to any other database, right? Database name might slight different. Okay, slight different. Okay, slight different. If we go other database, slight different, but no worry about that. Our data JPA will perform. But what is that? But annotation @lob is given by JPA. Okay, so what we are going to do now, let's create one application and we will perform the operation now, guys. Okay, we will perform the operation. So for that, the product we already created, right? Product only, right? We have already product application. Now in this product application only, what we will do now, we will perform, then our time will reduce now. Okay, good. So what is that? Come here. Okay, so employee is there, right? Our product. Okay, no. Let's, we have already like last find by method. Inside that we are taking what is that? Student. Somewhere we are taking what is that product also now. In that only to that little bit clarity will be there now. Data JPA find by method. Yeah, projection. Yeah, product we taken now. So but so already product ID is there, product code is there, product cost is there, right? Product cost is there. Okay, so what we are going to do now, let's increase two more property, right? Two more property. Okay, so what is that? Private, right? Private, what I'm going to do now, private if I'm taking byte, guys, byte array, then tell prod, what is that? Prod img, then just tell this is the blob insertion or glob insertion. Come on, guys, now I explain now, na? Come on.
Blob.
Why blob?
Yes, sir.
Why blob?
We are taking right array.
Yeah, good.
Image.
Because we are taking the byte array now, right?
Byte array.
Okay, so if we want to perform, okay, so if we want to tell our IOC container this is the blob insertion, then what annotation we will take now, guys? Just I explain, right? Just I explain. What is the annotation now? Come on. Sorry?
At the rate of
@lob, right?
Blob.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. @ at the rate what? Lob. Okay, good. At the rate lob. Now good. Okay, so what I'm going at the rate column also we will take this column and the name we are taking, right? Name. Okay, so what I'm taking now? P image img. I'm taking, right? P image. I'm taking. Another one is what? Another one more. This is what? This is the blob insertion now, guys. Okay, so blob insertion also for the private. What I'm going to do now? Private. I'm taking what? Char array, right? Char array. I'm taking what? Char array. Okay, so here what is that? Char array. Prod description, right? Just I'm taking description. Okay, good. So okay, so here what I'm taking now? So this is what? Lob insertion or club insertion? Come on, guys.
Club.
Yeah, this is the club insertion. At the rate what? At the rate lob annotation we will apply again. Okay. Now here what we will do now? At the rate column. At the rate column. Okay, good. Inside that what we will take? Name. Name equal to what? Name equal to what? PDESC, right? PDSC I'm taking. Okay. PDESC. Okay, good. So our entity class is ready now, guys. Okay, our entity class is ready now. Good. So already everything is good. Okay, so come in the runner class. Okay, come in the runner class only, right? So here what we will do now? Here just leave it. Leave these things. Okay, leave these things. Okay. Now in the interface also come here. Okay, so what I'm doing now? I'm removing these things. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, guys. So now what is that repo? Repo dot what? Save. Save. I'm saving this one, right? After then what I'm going to do now? Here, take new. What is that? Product, right? Product. Wise. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm taking what? 101, right? 101. Just I'm taking what? Book. Product cost I'm taking 500. Okay, 500. But the product image and product description, right? Product description I want to store, right? I want to store product description also, right? So for that what we will do now, guys? So here, okay, so means to give the image we have need to path, right? We have need to path. So we know that file input, core Java concept, file input. How many know that this one IO stream, guys?
Yeah, I know this one.
Okay, so yeah, 5 years. Okay, yeah, 5 years equal to what? New. What is that? File input. File input stream, right? File input stream. Inside that what we will do now? We will give the location of what? We will give the location of image, right? Image. So just what I'm going to do now? So Google Chrome. nature, right? This is okay, good. This one is. So how we can download it now? Anywhere download option is there. Now click it.
I think these we can save it.
Download. Hey, this is asking something.
No, I think we need to pay for this.
Yes, yes. Okay, free.
Ravi, there we have 3 buttons. I think
Yeah, actually 3 buttons, nothing is there, na?
can I expand it and save as? You can
Right
do?
click and download, Naravi. There is also option.
Okay, okay, I will check it. Anybody know that? Please guide me, guys.
So go back on the image. Yeah, there right click,
Yeah, good.
save image.
Now we got the image, right? This is the image. Okay, good. So we will store this image. Okay, so what I'm going to do now? Copy this one. Come here. Create one folder. Image. Image. Okay. I'm storing that image here. Okay, copy this path. Okay, come to our application. Paste here. Good. Okay. So after then what we will do now? After then what we will do now? Now again we will, this is the byte only, right? Byte data. Okay. So what we will do now, guys? FIS dot, what is that? FIS dot, what is that? No, sorry. We will create what first? Byte array object, right? Byte array object. Byte array object. We will convert it first. Byte what is that? Byte. Okay, so product image img I'm taking, right? Img. Okay, so after then what? New, we are taking the destination from the destination image and we are converting in the byte array, guys. Okay, byte array. Now good. So after then what we will do now? New byte array, right? New byte array. Okay, so by default what is that? The size is there, right? Whatever size is there, we have need to convert it. So we don't know what is that size. So for that, what is that? One method is there, guys, available. What is that? Available, it will take the image and it will convert in the byte array, this byte array range. Okay, this byte array range. Okay, so good. So what we will take now? FIS, we will take the reference of this file input. Now dot available, right? Dot available, then this method will convert this image into based on that byte array, right? Based on that byte array. Okay, good. So after then what is that method? FIS dot read, we will put that read, right? We will put that image inside that what? File input. Okay, so what is that? What is that? Product. product image. We will take this reference and we will pass it. Okay, so good. So what we will do now, product image we will pass inside that what here product image already we passed it, right? Good. So another one is what product description now, guys. Okay, another one is what product description now. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, internet, from the internet only.
Go to the image link. Right?
No need. Here I need what character only. Okay, so I told, right?
Okay.
I'm not going to store only that one. Let's copy this one only, right? I'm copying this one. This much is okay. So good. So here what I'm going to do now, again I'm taking what one string, right? String, what is that? Date, description, description, right? Inside that what I'm taking this much, what is that? This much character I took, right? This much character I took. Okay, good. Okay, good. This much character I took. Okay, so I will store this one. Miss, what is that? Glob insertion. I will, for this one is what? Blob insertion. This one is what? Glob insertion, right? This one is what? Glob insertion now, guys. Okay, good. So okay, so how, okay, so how we can convert this, what is that, this string to array now in the core Java concept, guys. These are the core Java concept. Okay, so how we can convert it? How we can convert it? DES.
array.
Yeah, good.
Get by.
No, good. 2-char array, right? 2-char array. 2-char array.
Yes.
We are converting this one as what? What is that? Character array type. Char array, right? Now we will hold that one is what? Char array. Char array. What is that? Product description. Take this one only, right? Product description. Okay, good. Yeah. So what we are doing now, guys, here we are passing both the as a what argument now. Okay, but here why we are getting the error now? 1 minute. It's saying that char array is undefined. Okay, one minute, why something goes wrong. Why it's giving the error? Save method, right? 1 minute.
Ravi, the ID is a string you took.
Oh, okay, Control Z.
Control
Yes, very good, good observation. Who's that?
in string.
Who's that?
Venkatesh.
Good, Venkatesh. Good
Venkatesh.
observation. Yeah, very good, Venkatesh. Good observation. Okay, so now